Today we're diving into the Rizon Crypto Card. If you're curious about how it works and whether it's really worth your time and money, stick around. There's a lot to unpack, especially when it comes to using crypto in everyday transactions. The Rizon Crypto Card is designed to bridge the gap between your crypto assets and everyday spending. Essentially, it allows you to load various cryptocurrencies onto a card that you can use at any merchant that accepts Visa. Right off the bat, that's a pretty appealing concept for crypto enthusiasts who want to spend their digital assets without converting them back to fiat first. The user experience seems straightforward, with a mobile app that lets you manage your funds and transactions easily. However, I noticed that the information about specific cryptocurrencies supported is a bit limited. For a product that aims to cater to crypto users, having clear details on which coins you can use is crucial. Overall, while the card looks promising and user-friendly, there are still some gaps in clarity that potential users should be aware of before jumping in. Let's break down some pros and cons. On the positive side, the Rizon Crypto Card offers a seamless way to spend crypto, which is a huge plus for those who want to use their assets in real life. The integration with the Visa network means it's widely accepted, which is great for everyday use. However, there are some frustrations to consider. The lack of detailed information about supported cryptocurrencies could be a deal breaker for some. Also, the potential fees associated with loading and using the card aren't very clear. If you're someone who likes transparency in pricing, this might raise some red flags. For casual users or those new to crypto, it could be a fun way to start spending. But if you're a more experienced crypto user, you might want to look for other options that offer more clarity and features. In conclusion, the Rizon Crypto Card could be worth exploring if you're looking to spend your crypto easily. However, if you're concerned about transparency and want more detailed information, you might want to consider alternatives. It feels like it has potential, but there are definitely areas that need improvement before it can be fully trusted.